Bia Kamal Kanwar online TV channel. Kejan gwa seme bana rwa seme bana jaling. Rachan chalat ke kui Waniga, la former vice president dung South Sudan, Asia Wuch kene Abdel Bagi. Te ke lermi shakula lat gwa seme. La Waniga jen me chaja wuja kirma yadit, chaja wuj te da wuj kajuba. Wajen te dorian wajen gwase te tin weling ne je ka television o jan chaja wuch antama murai kona ka jan ler bana kula linga chala do nene wani ga she lugono chaja las ala let ke SPLM secretary general ko gwa Peter Lambo the me a jene she look en position dana ya kama na mo mishalat a jene neme she konde wal shade lo jok kame che konditin kaman lat ka gwasame ajan vice president waniga kaman dana lade re ler kaman dana lin kono gwasame she lade nene kimen cha gore ngoni chala do mi chaji kwanya la vice president wajin chaje de woch ameni mi chi kwara dan en la chairman la ke president ameni mi cheliu mi che jien she liu jan dong de jukulo woja dugno aram by president there to yik titin and gwas dana chaja kwainten chaja de wuch kan woten content chala daken chana na mamaling ngum lugo jan wo there are secretary general SPLM men yam cheje gu jenu amedi da matot ko jan cha kontin jan ja tin ka 1994 no wal jen chaja de lo jok minyu de gwano guje jen wo na me chi gwada da gwara mtot mitel experience ki me ken tere kuma ka SPLM na mo kela dan en chalat ki men gwe ken wo dong logo position mo gwada me gor jen wo bay jenwa ki bay latin kone chalat gwasa me SPLM chairman self ki ma yadit che wani ga ken Abdul Baki chaka jure kuarka ke jelat kashwe SPLM Secretary General Peter Lambot chwe nyoko mujoja je sho gwade en Peter Lambot sho waniga mala vice president chwe kule latin ka waniga jen first deputy chairman lo cherongo position mo ma chaw kam ko do bdana gwi jeja enyogon wuje chere da wuj cha jien within gwade dan ke jelat me woja na che gwa waniga chaja kam radadien mi business tycoon Benjamin Bolmel jen a show nya self ke ma yadit kuaren caps of Sudan nya da shola adut a Ramadan en la Sheikh Benjamin Bolmel en cha kula kwanya tema ala vice president ke deputy chairman majak na ko tike kirno mishilade chi chuang ban me ban jameling ala Benjamin Bolmel karon kina dangre wal baro gwade dan wacha ja kon sanction ke chaja gagrar a kuma United States ke 2017 ko jena wacha corrupt me wachi chuang ko do badan gwe keje wa ken kir ken per ken jalat ere kuma kamandan en men chanam che latin gwaye shana wuka manana shalat gwasame ke English ko biaje kuleling mingi to ko en bi shuling aka kora dong bana motor bana jo martin gorje no de nitin kono dong gorje de ken lingo gwa ka tuk English de ken disken de ken palping bana na me bana je linkel aka do badana de kon lerma de kon linga ja former South Sudan Vice President James Waniga has refused his demotion from the ruling Sudan People Liberation Movement SPLM first deputy chairman to secretary general. Party source told that a day after President Salva Kiir removed him and Hossein Abdel Bagi from their government position, Kiir, who is also the SPLM chairman, dismissed Wani and Abdel Bagi from the party leadership in a surprise move on Monday. He removed SPLM Secretary General Peter Lambert and named Waniga, who was the first deputy chairman, as the new Secretary General. The president then appointed business tycoon Benjamin Bullmel, who was sanctioned by the United States in 2017 for corruption. It was sanctioned by the United States because of corruption. Tycoon Benjamin Bullmel. To Wani previous role, but did not immediately name him first deputy chairman, Wani previous position. Kir party insider say the head of state was expected to appoint Bullmel to the top deputy position at a later time, seeking to avoid scrutiny amid speculation that the president is preparing Bullmel, an ethnic Dinka and native of northern Barghazal state, as a successor. According to SPLM constitution, the first deputy chairman assumed leadership of the party in the event of the chairman's death or incapacitation. According to the SPLM constitution, the first deputy chairman assumed leadership of the party in the event of the chairman's death or incapacitation. Michi chairman Michel Liu, and vice president first deputy, Ramadana Balat Gwara Mamon. Muluno Kir point the chapel atam kado rana gui kejaga. Dong attacking mila the nugu makwerka, run which at Tegariak Buddha Makwerbe Gualchikata dan she John Garang Mechi Yedijan, she won't point the Tena Kermayadit. According to the SPLM constitution, the first deputy chairman assumed leadership of the party in the event of the chairman's death or incapacitation. Right? Multiple party sources told that Kirill's has deteriorated in a recent month, making it difficult for him to take decisive action, raising concern about succession planning within the ruling party. Wake can court penalty, watch Juikir Mayadi Cho Murebana Road. Watele letted Wandele lat. Name watch Chana Chetidial Chega Jainial. Kaya spelling party and go a woman talk. Kogi Jen or Dong Chikir, Dong Shabu William. Kata dan go Paul Point and go Bejamat. Wani refused to accept the demotion to Secretary Generals. A senior SPLM official speaking on condition of anonymity said Waniga was in his home village of Lobonok in Juba County when Kir announced his dismissal on Tuesday and has not returned to the capital city up to now. Wani was in his home village of Lobonok in Juba County when Kir announced his dismissal on Tuesday and has not yet returned to the capital since. One is refusing to accept the demotion to Secretary General. The official said he believes it is a deliberate move to sideline him from the party leadership. The SPLM has not publicly commented on the internal shakeup. Key decision to remove Wani, a long-time loyalist and one of the historical leaders of the SPLM, as a speculation about a different rift within the ruling party ahead of planned election. Bullmel, a prominent businessman with close tie to the presidency, as long be rumored to be among those Kir considering as a potential successor. His appointment to one former position without an immediate confirmation as a first deputy chairman has raised further questions about the president plan. Political analysts say the SPLM internal restructure comes at a critical time, with the country preparing for election after repeated delay. Kir maneuvering within the party leadership is seen as an effort to consolidate control amid growing uncertainty over his health and political futures. Kir ke gwazma point de chapel lenga jagwa point de Kir chapel gor dialati de largati ne de kontela senior official tintere wiki juba kan ler dialin ka lingti ketibe kake anu Kir point de chapel re party ka point wate ka rol to talk tinatam ko lara ma kwanya barama wuch man kwen ke Bullmel simling yana mo awajen o be kwar self ke yadi beje chop mete to ga Kir ko Kir wa jwe de ngo de tete jala dana gode nywa ya ker ban nyoje kumro dien bete mal bye bye